All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick macro look at Solana here. So, Solana here on the weekly chart from the high back here in November of 2021 to the low in December of 2022. You can see that we came right up to the 3.2 here where we have all the support back here. Now turn resistance at 30. So, until Solana gets over 30, the bottom is not in yet here. So, you can see from that 382 came down here, found support right at the 236 at 18. So on the macro scale here, if we continue to go down, if we take out 18, that is a 7% drops. It looks like we're going to drop back down here to the bottom at about $8, and that is a 65% drop. But remember, these are weekly candles, so that's going to take a while to happen. Just wanted to point that out on the weekly scale. If we zoom back into the daily chart here to see what is going on with the most recent price action here, you can see that. Let's go ahead and draw a fib from what is that, July. So from the summer of this year till now, if we draw a fib from that high to the low here, you can see we smacked right into the 0.5 at 24-25 bucks here. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't look great on any kind of fib you draw on the chart. It is still technically bearish for a push down. So there may be still some selling pressure coming in if you do not get over that $25 to $30 range here. So if we draw a fib from the most recent price action here from that low, this low back here to the high, you could see right down to the 382, to the 200-day EMA at this $22 range here. So that may be your price to hold here. So from the low to the high to the 382, as long as you're above, at least on these shorter time frames, above the 200-day EMA here on the daily, you're still officially trying to push up higher in this uptrend. We do have the 21 over the 50, the 100. They are going sideways at the moment, but we want this to cross over that red, that 200-day EMA there. We can see, if you can see that, we do have the yellow just had a bullish cross the 50 over the 100, so that is a good sign. So it looks like it's trying to trend up and get into an uptrend. So I would say as long as you stay over this $22 area and stay over the 200-day EMA, then there is a shot at breaking over that $25 to $30 range. But here on the daily time frame, of course, the momentum as of right now with this red candle that spawned in pretty much on the whole market from what I see. It is short-term bearish at least, so the momentum is down at the moment. Heikenashi's red. There is a shadow here. So this may not last long. I do not know why the market is having these red candles spawn in right now. I don't know if it has to do with the war or the news or what's going on, or if there's something going on with crypto or banks. I do not know. I did not watch the news today. So yeah, with that being said, just kind of pointing out on the macro scale, we need to break over 25, 30 bucks, or the potential bottom is not in here. And we really need to stay over the 200-day EMA here on the daily chart. So Solana's trying, but if it does fall down to these lower prices, then so be it. The $17, $18 range. If it comes back down to the low here, that'd be a great buying opportunity in my opinion. One other thing I would point out here on the chart, if my mouth will let me speak correctly, is that here on the weekly chart, even though we're in this massive downtrend here, which we need to put this back on log since we're on a larger time frame, you can see that clearly we're in this downtrend here. But most recently, from December of last year, you can see we're making higher lows and higher highs. So out of this bearish market structure, we are finally forming bullish market structure here on the macro scale of things. So that is a good positive sign in the right direction. So you could still technically potentially drop down to this $18 range and still make a higher low here. And then from that point, we start moving up. So that is a possibility. This could be the last days to get, Solana, if it's going to stay above this $17, $18 range, to get it at this price, because you can see on this macro scale, it does look bullish here. So maybe the last days to buy it this cheap. So we'll see. Just wanted to make a quick update on Solana on the more macro scale to give you guys some prices to kind of watch and a little overall view of what's going on. So with that said, we'll see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.